Hi smart people, we have this problem if a equal to 5 root 2 and 2a equal to the square root of 2x. What is the value of x? So we have these options. So the best way we want to approach this problem is to say that because we have a to the power of to be equal to 5 the square root of 2 into the square root of 2, and then we have a also here. So that's to say we have to plug in this for a. So that means we have 2 into 5 square root of 2 equal to the square root of 2x. So this is what we need to analyze this in a few seconds. So 2 times 5 gives us 10, the square root of 2 equal to the square root of 2x. And of course, this looks like a basic solved. So what do? We just have to take this into the bracket. So we have this to be 10 to the power of 2 times 2, which is the same thing as 100 times 2. And then the result will be this, will be 200. And this will be the square root of 2x. So what's the next thing we need to do at this point? We need to just cancel this square root. And when we cancel that, we have that 200 is equal to 2x. So looking for x now will be equal to 200 divided by 2, and the result is 100. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like this video, share, and comment, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.